Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients and prepping tools. Use 6 medium apples, washed and dried, with stems removed and 6 wooden sticks inserted. Measure 2 cups granulated sugar, 1/2 cup light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water for the toffee base, and set aside 1/4 cup butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Chill a sheet pan lined with parchment or a silicone mat to set the apples quickly. Have toppings ready. 1/2 cup chopped nuts, sprinkles, or 1/2 cup crushed cookies, so you can dip while the toffee is hot. Place a heavy saucepan over medium heat and combine 2 cups sugar, 1/2 cup water, and 1/2 cup light corn syrup. Stir until sugar dissolves. Bring to a boil without stirring and clip a candy thermometer to the pan. Boil until the mixture reaches 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage, which takes about 8 to 12 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in 1/4 cup butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Then let the mixture cool for 30 seconds to thicken slightly. Work quickly to dip each apple, turning to coat and allowing excess to drip before applying toppings. Once apples are dipped and coated, roll them in your chosen toppings. Use 1/2 cup chopped nuts, 1/2 cup sprinkles, or crushed cookies. Place each coated apple on the chilled sheet pan about 2 inches apart so they do not stick together while cooling. Let toffee apples cool at room temperature until fully set, about 20 to 30 minutes. Do not refrigerate as condensation can make the toffee sticky. Store finished apples wrapped individually in plastic or parchment and keep in a single layer for up to 3 days, or enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.